Hello students, good morning. I am your English teacher Miss Kajal and today we are going to start with the subjective part of chapter 1, part 2, standard 2nd, semester 2, subject English 1. Lesson 1, a story from Bapu's life. Question 3 on page number 12. The question is, how many kurtas do you need? Now, who said these words and to whom? The answer is the little boy said these words to Gandhiji. Number 2. Why did he say this? Answer. The boy was distressed when he saw that Gandhiji did not wear even a shirt. He wanted his mother to stitch some kurtas for him. Section B. Till every one of them has a kurta, how can I wear one? Who said these words and to whom? Now, Gandhiji said these words to the little boy. Number 2. Who does DAM stands for? DAM stands for the 40 crore people of India who could not afford clothes. These are some question answers. Question 4. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What does the word Bapu means? The word Bapu means father. B. Why did Gandhiji wear only a loin cloth? Gandhiji saw the suffering of his people. Many of them could not afford clothes, so he therefore decided to give up expensive clothes and wear only a loin cloth. C. Why was the child distressed when he saw Gandhiji? Answer. The child was distressed when he saw that Gandhiji did not even wear a shirt. Section D. How many kurtas did Bapu need for his big family? Answer. Gandhiji needed 40 crore kurtas. Now students, this is the question on page number 12 in your semester 2 English textbook. From the opposite of these words using un or dis. Now, clear, unclear, honor, dishonor, faithful, unfaithful, important, unimportant, pleasant, unpleasant, respect, disrespect. Question 2. Bapu lived in an ashram. Where will you find these people? Choose your answer from the boxes. Now nurses, they works in hospital. Cook, they work in kitchen. Farmer, they work in farm. Engine driver, they work in train. And sailors, they work in ship. Now students, you have to sentence, fill these blanks using a suitable question. Now here you have to ask a question. So you have to add what, who, how, where, when, like this. Now first, dash is your name. What is your name? Number 2, who is crying? Number 3, how do you go to school? Number 4, where are my books? Number 5, how are the children's? Now students, in this question number 2, ask questions from the following sentences. Now here they have already given the answer. You have to make a question for the same. Like first one they have asked, Taj Mahal is in Agra. Now we have to ask question related to the same sentence. Where is Taj Mahal? Number 2, that is a book. Now you have to ask a question using the same sentence. What is that? Question mark. Srimati Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. Now you have to make the question using the same statement. Who was the first woman president of India? Question mark. Marina Beach is in Chennai. Where is Marina Beach? Now students, here they have given a story of a fox where you have to number the sentences in order. Listen carefully and then put this sentence in order. Then read the story with the sentence in the correct order. Now here we have to find which sentence would come first. Now let's read from beginning. He tried again and again. He jumped up high to reach for a bunch. Finally, he walked away as he could not reach them. A fox was once very hungry. He could not reach them. He saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. Now, students, you all must remember that in previous test we did the same thing. The story of a crow I gave you in your test. Do you all remember? Yes, जिसमें हमें नंबरिंग करना था कि जब क्रो फ्लाई करके आया, फिर उसने स्टोन्स डाले पॉट में, फिर पानी ऊपर आया और उसने पानी पिया और फिर वो उड़ गया। वैसे ही ये सेम स्टोरी है फॉक्स और ग्रेप्स की। तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या होगा इसमें? नंबर डी। अ फॉक्स वॉज वंस वेरी हंग्री, वो बहुत भूखा था। फिर उसने अचानक से क्या देखा? पूरा एक अंगूरों का गुच्छा। देन उसने क्या किया? वो जंप करने लगा उनको खाने के लिए, लेकिन ही कुड नॉट रीच देम, वो उन तक नहीं पहुंच पाया। उसने बहुत ट्राई की। ही ट्राइड अगेन एंड अगेन। फाइनली ही वॉकड अवे एज ही कुड नॉट रीच देम। फाइनली वो उनको नहीं मिल सका और वो वहां से चला गया। थैंक यू।